Hello. Fellas up, folks. How's everybody doing today? We're gonna talk about crypto. The top picks to buy now and to make freaking millions. You guys already know the agenda. So let me bring the sheet. Is there anything changing here? Not so much. But we're gonna go through it in a second. First of all, let's say hello to the people in the chat. Hope everybody is having a good time. And a good week. What day is it? Thursday? Lost count. Just working too much. Alright. Joshua, I hope you're good. I've been trying to get the team from Octavia to do an AMA with you. Really? Not sure if they contacted you to arrange one. No, unfortunately not. But tell them that I'm very open. This fucking fly. Oh my god, bro. Gonna just fucking... Alright. Yeah, tell them to contact me. Like, for sure. Be down. Nobody contacted me. Miller pumping tight for a mojito. Guys, all the fun of Miller is hilarious. That just people keep bringing facts for years ago. Nobody gives a shit. We're here to make money. Who cares? The project is solid. The team is solid. The roadmap is solid. Who cares? I'm making money. We bought the very dip. We're already 15, 20% up from the very dip. It's good stuff, bro. Selflex, what's up, bro? Countering to honorable mentions? Nah. I've did some checks. It had some flags, so I stayed away from it. But I researched it quite deeply. Soul's looking ready for another leg up and break all-time high. That is definitely possible. How's Soul's looking? Soul's pumping a little bit, then coming back down. It's just a clear accumulation zone. It has found a heavy support level around this, 0.06 cents. In my opinion, it's due a leg up very soon. You see, this is a all-time support level that we've seen. And then, of course, we had the crash for the hack before they changed to the new contract address. In my opinion, the project is looking very bright. And guys, it's a risky pick. Let's be honest. The market cap is below 2 million. So you guys already know that it's a very risky choice. However, for the returns that you can make, you need to take some risks to actually make those 100x's, the highly coveted 100x's that all the people are looking to get. You need to take some risks, all right? Why does this guy always comment Serenity Shield every freaking live stream?
Stupid.
Are you a bot? CZ follows Chirpley? Really? His follows are relatively low. Can you guys confirm this? I can't be bothered. I don't even follow CZ. Upo? What's Upo? Hope it's not Alpo only. What the fuck of a name is that? Okay, so this project is called App Only, and it goes up only. What's wrong with you people? The fuck? We have a super chat. Kryptonic, thank you so much, bro. Too kind. 10 quid. Thank you so much, bro. Kryptonic, do you think AI tech is ready for another leg up? So, there is a very good question. And long story short, yes, I do think it's ready for another leg up. Because just look at the chart. We had the big correction. The market went a little red. And it could be recovering already, actually. Look at this. I think this was the bottom. 25 cents. Finally, I had a decent correction from the all-time high that was needed. Because, guys, you guys remember, I bought AI Tech this day. On the 1st of January, the price was 1.5. This is when I sent the buy alert, by the way. Let's just a moment of acknowledgement. Okay, it went to 30x. So, of course, it obviously needed to come down a bit. So, for all the people that were here, should I buy AI Tech now? I said, no. You guys remember that I made the video? I made the video and I'm like, listen, I could stay here and pump my bags and say, buy AI Tech now. It's the best investment in the world. It's the best gaming project, AI project. And I would be right because I still think that it's the best AI project. But I knew that it was completely overbought. I knew that a correction would come. The correction came. This is when you accumulate, and this is how you make money in the long term. Crypto is not that hard, actually. All right? So, yeah, in my opinion, yes. I hope that you DCA'd in the very deep. I think that was the bottom. Now, if Bitcoin goes to 60K, if Bitcoin goes below 60K, right before the halving or right after the halving, then you can make a case that AI tech is going to dip lower. But it's not guaranteed. It's not even guaranteed that Bitcoin will go to those lows. So I think that starting to DCA is a very good shout. And thank you again for your donation. That is much appreciated. Have you found out if CZ follows Chirply? Also, CZ is quite irrelevant now. I'm sorry to say it, but he's not in Binance anymore, so nobody really cares. He probably has better stuff to worry about. Better, I mean, debatable, but... I mean. Alex, wish you a nice day. Wish you a nice day, too. Thank you so much. Wiko? Weko? What's that? Sounds wacko. I hope it's not a meme, bro. WeCoin? Holy, this is actually pumping. What's this? It's a versatile cryptocurrency. Okay, is this RWA? Various capacity. Oh my god, when they have when they have the contract address listed on the first part of the page. And people are too lazy to look at the certificate, but it's there. Thank you. Does he know where I am? Okay, payment for goods and services, staking, governance, nobody cares. Rewards for staking and liquidity. I mean, listen, I'm not that interested into this, but it's pumping, probably because the entire narrative of RWA is pumping. It could be okay for a short-term trade, but it already pumped, so it's completely senseless to buy now. You should have bought 1 day ago, probably. So, but yeah, congrats to you if you're holding it. My brother in the house, what's up, bro? Toca el like button, boludo! Smash the likes. Thank you, bro. Search flying. Search is flying, bro. Oh my god. I made a video right on time. I hope you guys bought some Search. Guys, I made the video here. I was like, guys, I think Search has got potential. I think people think that it had potential. That's all I can say. Looking good. Search sits in my honorable mentions. Nibiru Chain. Maybe not, bro. No disrespect. Boa tarde, Portugal. Sorry, that's my best Portuguese impression. It's terrible. But good evening to you. BMX. Are you seriously asking me to review the token of Bitmart? Bro, that might be the worst alpha. Exchange tokens are completely useless. They have no use case whatsoever. And Bitmart, on top of that, is one of the worst centralized exchanges that you could ever buy crypto on. Why? Yeah, of course, people panicked. People panic sold. And we bought. I bought it, bro. Oh, sorry, it's this one. Okay. All right. Epic fail.
Stupid.
This is for myself. Oh my god, I thought people were asking me to review the Bimbar token. All right. Wow, what a pump. I think I've heard about this before. Mining-based products. Bitcoin distributor? It's in Spanish. No sure que vosotros comprendéis. Okay. What's the tokenomics? 40% to pink sale? Sheesh. I mean, it looks decent, but what the hell, dude? It's freaking crazy that the tokenomics are that bad. Is there info about the team or anything? Is it doxed? They have a Telegram. Do they even have an X? Let's see. It's very tiny. I'd have to research. Is it doxed? Somebody know? Could have potential. I'll check it out. Thank you for bringing it to me. And you're apologized. I thought it was seriously the Bimbar token. Neutron? Neutron, not Neuros, right? By the way, what was the market cap of this? 7 million. Yeah, it's relatively tiny. Interesting. Interesting. Did you guys know the project? What was this? Yeah, this was one of like Connext, one of those omni-chain projects. Listen, the market cap is too big. I wouldn't touch it at this point. It's ridiculous. Why would you buy something that is 300 million market cap and is relatively risky? Because I have projects that are more in market cap, but you know, I'm not expecting crazy returns, and these projects are still risky because we haven't really had a bull run of anything of the sort. What's good? What's poppin'? I mean, yes, because Souls doesn't have as many bots as AWT does. Unfortunately, the chart of AWT is not good. But in my opinion, it's a good accumulation zone. Gain GPT, I've already talked about this before a lot of times. I don't really like it. I don't like the team. That is essentially the rebranded project of Rainmaker, which was deprecated with barely any notice. So, yeah. If you can trust the team. Gaming, I have a video coming either tomorrow or the day after. I need to check my schedule, but I filmed the video today. It has potential, but there's worrying stuff about tokenomics. Crest, I've heard a lot of hype surrounding it, but I'm not sure if it's out yet. Is it out? I'm not going to talk on that, understandably, my friend. But just do 2 + 2. Bro. Stupid. Get out of my stream. Spartacus, I'm very well. How are you? Was that real then? Okay, interesting. Interesting. Something's cooking. Something's cooking. CZ follows Chirply. What the hell, dude? I need to make another video update about Chirply because Chirply is one of these projects. Guys, I consider Chirply the best marketed project in crypto right now. And I'm not kidding. Like, go on their X page. What project posts every single day updates about the product, about the timeline? They have a new platform. They have partnership announced every other day. This project is so huge. So huge. All-time high just the other day. A market cap that is still not that big for what it can be. It has a clear niche focus. I can't find any competitors of Chirply. Guys, prove me wrong if you have anything to say, but I don't think anybody would disagree on this. Like, Chirply has no competition. It's part of Google for startups. It's part of Microsoft for startups. It partnered with it joined the NVIDIA Inception program. This all in the last week. Couple of weeks, whatever. That is crazy. Crazy stuff, guys. Oh my God. Chirply flying. Chirply's flying. OFN. A lot of people were telling me that it dumped. I honestly don't know. I don't even hold it. I mean, it didn't really dump. It had a correction. 32 million. I don't really want to make price prediction. I don't know. But for a layer one with AI, it's quite low. It will probably do a 20x or a little more than that. AWT could do 100x. It's just a very risky play. I've actually moved. If you guys, by the way, let me bring the list, especially for the guys that are new to my live streams. I moved AWT in the honorable mentions because I've decided to put Chirply as a top altcoin. Because of all of the developments that Chirply did, I think that Chirply deserves a top 7 spot in my list, which doesn't mean that I'm not bullish on AWT. I'm super bullish on AWT. But I think Chirply definitely deserves to be 100x. Now, can it do 100x from now? Debatable, because it also pumped. If you'd been in my private group, you would for sure be in 100x territory. But you need to consider that we're 3x up right now. So that would be a 33x for us from the moment of my buy alerts. That would be 100x. But I think I can expect crazy returns for Chirply. And then if I see all of the rest on my list of top altcoins, honorable mentions, I think Right could be in 100x territory. I'm going to arrange an AMA with the team very, very shortly. Maybe next week or the one after. At most, expect another AMA with the team. So I'm super excited to bring the team on my channel once again. I don't know. AI tech from the recent drop could actually surprise a lot of people. Is it so much as 100x? I'm not sure. Then other projects on my list, Lilab Games. People faded it. People sold the bottom. People complained that it was a rug when nothing changed. Literally nothing changed in this project. People were just being butthurt about it. Lit is recovering. We bought Lit at 18, 1 cent 8, 1 cent 9. We're already 20% up from our DCA alert. So, yeah, from these very lows, we're already up. So it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, guys, Lit could have potential. Then if I think about other 100x's, I don't know. Maybe Surge could have that potential. It's just very risky, especially because it has some dilution. It doesn't have like a massive security supply, so that would be a bit tricky. What I'm super bullish on, I can say, is my RWA pick. My secret RWA pick that nobody knows. Nobody freaking knows. We're already a 6x up. So, of course, you already know, guys. What you already know is that you need to join my group because it's the best community in crypto, period. Here's all the benefits. I'm going to leave them on the screen right now, just in case you're interested in joining, which you should because you don't want to be a lone wolf. This boring is going to be unprecedented, and you don't want to mess it up. BitBro, new gaming on Solana. A problem for OTK? First of all, what the hell is that? BitBro. It's not even here. I hope it's here. It's definitely not a threat to OTK if I can't even find it, my friend. So no, it's not a threat. Didn't find it, man. I don't like quant. I don't like the risk to reward ratio of quant. I think that if you're looking for a relatively safe 10x in the higher market cap range, quant is not the way to go. I would go with something like a lithium. I would go with something like Caspa. I would go with something, even Avalanche, if you're looking for old projects. What's up, man? Also, Metaverse has got potential, but I don't want to be overexposed to a lot of Metaverse games. I already have another 2 Metaverse projects, actually, in my secret picks. Was I supposed to say that? I mean, I haven't revealed them anyway, so who cares? Yes, AWT is still good. It just dropped a little. Soil is good. Everything is pumping when it comes to RWA, so you're probably in profit. So well done. I'm not super overexposed to RWA. I only really have one RWA pick in my portfolio right now that is doing extremely well, and it's a secret one. Yeah. But people that are asking for RWA projects right now, guys, you need to understand that this is not the time to accumulate RWA projects. This is the time to accumulate gaming projects, because gaming projects are not pumping. So all the people that are asking me to review RWA this, RWA there, you guys should have bought RWA 1 month ago when everything in AI was pumping. Okay, you need to do the opposite. When something pumps, you need to buy the things that have not pumped yet. Okay, it's not that hard to understand. Okay, so RWA pumps. Think about what's next. Think about what hasn't pumped already. When AI was pumping, I was saying, listen, let's find other stuff, because the games, we already have AI tech. It's going out at 30x. Let's actually find what is not pumped yet so we can buy it. And gaming is going to come shortly. I'm not going to say mark my words, bro, but it's not that hard to understand. Gaming hasn't pumped yet. And gaming is probably going to be the best sector for altcoins for massive gains. Legends of Elysium is decent. To be honest, it could be in the honorable mentions. It could be. I just prefer my picks. Otherwise, I would have bought it. What do you think? I'm doing great, Cook. Thank you for being here, as always. Much love. Hypersign. I think it's the first time that I hear about this. Bro, I don't even have to review it. It launched right before the peak of the bull market. It pumped, and then it went down. Why would you buy this? And it's only on Uniswap and Gate. After 2 years. After more than 2 years. Says a lot. I already talked about, I've already talked about the RWA, but I'm not sure what these projects are. BKN? I mean, that really sums up what I said before. Like, you should have bought it here, not here. Like, it's nonsense to... First of all, it's crazy that this thing is pumping so much. But don't buy anything that looks like this. It's just ridiculous. What is this, by the way? I'm curious. Yeah, sales and management of RWA products. Nice. Already talked about GageAPT. By the way, I checked CRA. Is it this one? I mean, this looks like crap. And it's old. This is probably going to 0. Guys, don't put your message more than once. Otherwise, Chuck is gonna ban you. Exactly. Thank you, brother, for the reminder. No, I mean, saying that min layer is gonna do 100x from here is a bit crazy. But a 50 to maybe even a little more, yeah. Don't worry, bro. Like you show in the chat, you need to just text it once. I have hundreds of people watching these live streams. Oh my god, I'm so behind in the comments as well. It's a lot. If the token price is acceptable for me and I want to sell 100% of it, should I use market order or limit order? That's a good question for you beginners out there. So, depends on a lot of things. So first of all, what is the market cap of the project? What is the liquidity that the project has? And market cap and liquidity are two different things. But if the project has very small liquidity in that exchange, and let's say that there's very few orders in the order book, then you're gonna have a lot of slippage. So if you do a market order, you literally don't have liquidity, so you're gonna eat to the orders that are very up or very down, of course, depending on if you're selling or buying. So because of that, you could do one or two things. So let me rephrase this. If there's very little liquidity, your limits are not gonna get filled either. So in that case, you could do tiny market orders, then you wait for the correction on the candle, and then after, let's say, 30 minutes, you do another market order. Or you put several limit orders into very similar ranges so that the order bounces up and down. So I hope that answers your question. But if it's a project like Bitcoin or Ethereum that don't have any problems when it comes to liquidity, etc., then your limit order is probably going to get filled very easily. You could even try to do a market order because you're not going to have as much slippage, of course, because the order book is going to be filled. So there's a lot of things to consider. I hope that was helpful. Yes, I'm still bullish on WT. Darwinian network? I haven't heard of this. Ring. Oh, come on, bro. It's so fucking old. Why would you buy this? Look, nobody even cared. When the bull run was at its peak, nobody cared. Why would you buy this? Oh my god. I hope that I prevented you from buying that. Although this is not financial advice. But, oh my god. I would pick lit over AWT. That's me. What do you think will happen to OTK because of Qcoin? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Maybe people panicked for like 1 hour and then it got eaten away. There is absolutely no point. Price drop, maybe for like 30 minutes. No. I heard people say that it's a black swan event, the Qcoin thing. Guys, it's business as usual. Qcoin has freaking billions of dollars. It's not gonna fall tomorrow. Oh my god. The highest market cap coin that I have in my portfolio. I think Kaspa. Could it be Kaspa? Yeah, I think it's Kaspa. I sold all of my BTC, so yeah. Sidus is okay, but I just wouldn't buy it because of market cap. Ether is very promising. It's going to be huge, but it's also launching at a huge market cap, so I'm staying away. Our project with taxes only on Ethereum chain? No. But most of them happen to be there. Probably because it's easier to raise capital. GPU node AI whale bought $1 million? Really? It's a lot of money. MC-verse. Can't remember. It's not here. Guys, tell me where if these projects are not listed. Okay, it's on CoinGecko. Okay, so we already have like trigger warnings. Chart looks very manipulated. It's probably got taxes. Always double check the contract. Oh, it doesn't have. For sure. Okay, the contract looks good though. But the smart contract owner can mean new tokens. It's not good, man. Total supply 6 million. Max supply 1 billion.2. Too many flags. It depends on every project. Like usually CryptoRank and CoinGecko are usually they're more accurate, but it's not always like that. Usually go to CoinGecko because CoinMarketCap in majority of cases is not accurate, but there's also cases in which CoinMarketCap is more accurate. So yeah. Low risk with 5x return. Ethereum. But I mean, I will buy something like Kaspa or Tectum, Alephium, Avalanche, Nexa. Not a fan. ZK Sync is not acknowledging ZK Swap. I'm not sure. Are you sure? Why? Why would they not? H&H, I think the say at 80 cents is okay. I wouldn't buy more at higher though. I think with 80x, you could still argue for a 15x. Maybe. Maybe it's a bit of a stretch. DCK is good. I mean, it already performed very well. I don't think it's gonna overperform other industries. Added more search. Well done. Already talked about AI tech at the beginning of the stream, so I'm not gonna waste more time. You're a crypto legend, my friend. Thank you so much. It means the work. And you asked the question twice. Me layer taking off, yeah. Yeah. Like partnerships, new products, layer 3, swap function, braid. Oh my god. And even partners with gaming now. Big Bros as NFTs on OTK. They're partners. I haven't heard about it. Is that a new thing? AWT should be above Casp on the list number 0 because that was like... Yeah, I know it's a joke, but a lot of people would take it seriously, man. Rio, everything pumped in RWA. I'm not surprised. Stop asking me about how much money I'm making. Oh my god, bro. I'm not gonna tell you. Why? Ciao. Pal AI partners with SpaceX? What? You serious? It doesn't seem like people care. Nah, come on, can be real. Did you just bullshit me? The fuck is this? I think you just bullshitted me and I fell for it. Oh my god, man. What's wrong with people? Akash Network, it's a good project. Yeah, bro, I just fell for it. I feel so stupid. That was funny, though. Johnny, thank you so much for the comment. Just drop it once next time. Don't put it more times, otherwise you're gonna get banned. Love your content. Lots of love your way. Likewise to you too. I have a question. What is your opinion on AI tech? What's the price action looking like in your mind moving forward? I think I already talked about it at the beginning of the live stream. So just rewind that after I'm finished talking. But in my opinion, this was the correction that was long overdue because I said it to people. Like, don't buy now. It's literally the top. We are a 30x from my buy alert. It's not the point. Like, you should have been in my group. And if you had been in my group, you would have been a 30x. Everybody would be happy, right? So don't come to me after a 30x telling me it's a good time to buy. But if we have a 40% correction from the top, then yeah, there you have your answer. It's a good opportunity to buy at that point. Is market cooling till the halving? I don't know. It's so hard to understand, man. Like, I don't know. Right now we have the RWA stuff. I don't know. Too early to say. Because I can give you my opinion now, but then maybe tomorrow it changes, you know? Reminder, guys, just ask one time. Yeah, I'll probably game a little and try the full version of Souls and AWT. Yeah, I should probably check it out. Maybe I could post a gameplay at some point. I think it would be fun. There's nothing to check on Rio. Rio is pumping because RWA is pumping, and Rio is good. Rio is good objectively, but I don't want to be super overexposed to RWA. I already have the best pick in the market. That is my patron secret pick, so I'm not personally gonna bother. That's just my opinion, you know. Hello, King. Thank you, man. I don't really like NFT projects, Santiago. Daniel, sorry. Port 3. Can't remember. Good graph. Decent exchanges. How old is it? It's quite new as well. AI data layer. What does it mean? Like an oracle? Huh. Yeah, I think I'd seen this before. Could have potential. I don't remember if the team is docs though. I wouldn't buy something like this if it was not doxed. Oh yeah, I mean, if you're getting into mid-layer now, below 50 cents, anything below 50 cents is a bargain, and still below 70 cents is still cheap. Up until like 70 cents, I would still buy mid-layer. I bought at 10 cents, I bought at 15 cents, I bought at 30, I bought at 50, I bought at 70. I bought all the time. My average is still low, but I kept buying on it because it's great. Quant will be a good play when the CBDC narrative comes back and scares people again. Just a thought. Not sure, man. But yeah, your thought is definitely valid, but I'm just not sure how it would resolve, you know. You have a good bag in, say, 10 to 20x? Yeah, sure. Especially from here. I mean, DJ, if they're listed on CoinMarketCap or on CoinGecko, I would be okay. But I wouldn't go if a person tells me to Google some shit, no. But if it's on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, at least the site should be safe because they have some quality control. Thinking about taking a loan to invest in a safe pick? No. Crypto is not for investing money that you don't have. Different people will have different approaches. I know other YouTubers have recommend other things. In my channel, in my community, if anybody tells me I'm gonna get a loan to invest, no, I'm gonna tell you no. It's senseless. You're taking a loan for the riskiest asset class there is. Loans can be for other things. You know, if you're buying a house, if you're buying I don't fucking know, a car, whatever. If you're a student, but it's fucking not for investing money in crypto, bro. Oh my! Oh guys, a little bit of story time. You see this retard? I think it's actually a bot. I don't think this is a real person, but let me actually ban it. But this guy, somebody that I banned on my Discord because it was a nutcase that started insulting people and whatever, send me bots that I hacked a French YouTuber. So I got bombarded by these bots that say that I've hacked a French YouTuber, which I don't even know if it exists or not. But I'm like, shut up.
Stupid.
I would play a stupid button like 10 times over. Oh my god. Okay, story time ended. But I found that was funny. I hacked a French YouTuber. Why did you do it? Oh my god. Anyway. Ethereum to 7 grand? Yeah, I think so. You're gonna get a loan to buy a course? Yeah, and don't get loans to buy courses, yeah? XRP to the moon and Pluto. I think it's gonna go to Jupiter. Don't sleep on XRP. That was a joke, by the way. Oh my god, bro. What's the pay? I'm sorry, sounds like a fucking scam. If people give me... Oh my god, bro. So I hacked Rightstream, I hacked Souls, I hacked... And then... Oh my god, I need to quit the stream. I hacked everyone. Oh my god, bro. Sui. Sui is okay. It's very centralized. The tokenomics are not that great. But the ecosystem itself, I think, is going to do quite well. I haven't seen that many things built on Sui. I know that, for instance, AWT is going to be bridged to Sui. So maybe that could be one of the best games on the Sui ecosystem once it actually goes there. Manu, what's up, man? Orbify. Let's check. Amazon of generative AI models. 30 million on market cap, decent daily volume. Decent exchanges as well. Create AI assets and sell them for crypto? Really? Look, guys, some of you can get a girlfriend. This website is a bit of a mess. I don't know, man. Also, it's so laggy. It barely works. I honestly don't know. I'm not super convinced. By the way, I jumped on the Tangent page by mistake, but it is good to remind you guys that if you're complaining about KuCoin, put your funds to cold storage. Even if KuCoin falls, nobody cares. Nobody freaking cares. All right? You need to put your funds to cold storage because that's the only way that you're going to preserve your crypto. Okay? Tangent, I'm an affiliate, but it's also what I personally use. That is why I'm bringing it to you. Firstly, not the first link, but somewhere down in the description, it's there. Get one. And thank me later. Yeah, somebody was mentioning it. Your husband is part of my pro group? Awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, let's have a look. I think somebody mentioned to me. And by the way, thank you, AA, for the super chat. You could have said some words, but thank you so much for your support. And I thank you kindly. Let me check crypto real estate. Since a lot of people actually. Yeah, I thought it was that project. I mean, the name is amazing. How the hell did they get away with making this name? I guess it's an RWA project of real estate. Otherwise, I just stopped looking at it. Dubai-based real estate company. Something like PropChain, I guess. How's PropChain doing? Because I sold it. Did I sell early? Fucking hell if I sold early. I sold early, guys. Oh my god. I think I sold here. I sold here. I sold early. A minute of silence. Oh man. Is this better than PropChain? Oh man, they have a Dubai commercial license. That's huge. Audited by Aken. Haken is not as good as Certic, but I'll take that. I mean, they already have regulations from Dubai, so that's great. Crypto hotel? Is this what it does? Oh my god, this is amazing. So you can... That's so nice. So you actually use the token that they have to pay for all this. Booking rooms for the hotel. That's great. They have their own app, I guess. 2% buy and sell tax. But it's burned. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's both buy and sell taxes or just the buy tax. Because it says 50% of tokens are burned. That's actually an interesting model. So it's actually deflationary. Oh my god, how did I not know this? It's doxed. Oh my god. Has this been around for long? Yeah, the chart looked very weird. What did I do here? A migration? So it's already 36% of circulating supply and they are doing burns? God, this has a lot of potential. I'm impressed. Okay, I'm gonna research this more. I'm based in Dubai. The token burns means that the tokens are lost forever. So they are sent to an address, let's say, that nobody has control over. So they are eliminated from the supply. So the circulating supply increases, the max supply decreases. The token becomes deflationary. We have another super chat. Thank you so much. Let me check. Voids token. Voids token. I've heard about this. Voids? Where can I find it? Is this? It's very hard for me to give you an opinion, bro, because it just launched. Craft assets? LGPU. Okay. It sounds good, but it seems like they're trying to do too many things all at once. This is definitely a bullish narrative. Yeah, I like this. But it seems like it tries to do a little too much. What's the token? VDZ. Does it have taxes? If it has taxes, I'm out. Because I also think that this is not doxed. Yeah, I'm out. I'm not touching something that is not doxed with these taxes on this industry because, no. Has potential though. But with the taxes, no. With the taxes, I wouldn't touch it. Unless they list it on a centralized exchange. Well, it's not now, of course. Could have potential, though. It doesn't seem bad. Fluence? Yeah, I know this one. This one I really didn't like it because of the dilution and everything. I know that project. I really didn't like it. Thank you for the donation again. We got so many spammers today. What's wrong with people? I don't know. I don't think I'll invest in it. There's better gaming projects that are under my radar. So I would be wasting my time. Yeah, soil is good, but it pumped already. I don't really remember the dilution of layer AI. If I can find it real quick, I'll give you my thoughts. If I find it here, otherwise. Okay, so they have 34% circulating supply. They have daily unlocks. Oh my god, this gotta be. I mean, it's not bad if a project necessarily has daily unlocks. It depends, but these are quite hefty daily unlocks. And there's also mining. Oh my god. So I'd say 1 year from now. Yeah, it's quite bad. I mean, it's bad, but it's not like, whoa. So let's say the expected peak of the bull run, 3x. It's not good. It's not looking good. It has... No, there's no way that it's so small in market cap. There's no way. I don't know. I can't see the data here. There's no way. That small? Bah. I don't know, guys. There was some confusion on the circulating supply of right. That's why some people thought it was bigger or worse. I don't remember on top of my head, but check the EMA that they did the other day, yesterday. Net tensor was further like crazy. I don't know, it might recover or might not. But in my opinion, it just got flooded for no reason. So it could recover. It's just hard to say. But you should treat that as a degen play. You know, I have a problem if people just think, oh, well, and then they put more money that they can afford to lose. I bought some, like full disclosure, I bought some, but I put 0.1% of my portfolio. It's like nothing. My friend, all of the crypto that you mentioned are, I list them in Tangent, all of them. You need to add the custom token address. So when you click on manage tokens on your Tangent, you click on the plus and you put add custom token, and then you copy and paste the contract address that you find on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and then it's going to populate automatically, and then you can use the token. So I'm sure that a lot of people would sell you a course or a Patreon subscription just for this information that I just gave you, but I'm giving it to you for free. So at least, guys, just give me a like before I quit this live stream. So I would really appreciate that. This is going to be it for today. Much love to you. Thank you so much for joining. And of course, the best place to connect with me is my Patreon community, my private group right here. I hope to see you there. These are all the benefits listed if you're new, if you don't know what my community is all about. The best community in crypto right there. I hope to see you there. Help you out with your crypto investing journey. Until then, take care for now. Ciao.